Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add a page layout in Squarespace. So simply just in order to do this, just you have to go to pages, and after that here you can see the main navigation option. Simply just click here, and now after that here you can see the pages layout. So simply in order to create a new page you have to add a page layout. Simply there are already layouts available here. Simply click on page layouts. So now here I want to add the about page here. So simply just what I need to do, go to about. So here you can see there are some layouts available for about page of your Squarespace website. So simply now I select this one, and after that you have to wait for a few seconds. So here you can see our page is created with layout. Simply click here. So now wait for a few seconds, it's being uploaded. So here you can see the about section layout page. So in this way you can easily add a page layout in Squarespace.